Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android GameHub. First, you'll need to download and install the GameHub application on your Android device. This app acts as a versatile platform, supporting PC emulators, cloud gaming, and game streaming. It's compatible with Android operating system 5.0 and above, ensuring a broad range of devices can run it. Once installed, you're ready to explore its features and set up your gaming experience. To play Forza Horizon 5, you'll primarily use GameHub's cloud gaming capabilities. This means you can stream the game from services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now. GameHub provides seamless integration, letting you launch these services directly. Remember, a strong and stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 20 megabits per second, is essential for a lag-free and enjoyable racing experience. For the best Forza Horizon 5 experience, we highly recommend using a physical controller. You can easily connect one to your Android device via Bluetooth or a USB on-the-go cable. GameHub is designed to support a wide range of controllers, including those from GameSir, often without extra configuration. Once connected, take time to adjust in-game settings like steering sensitivity and button mapping to suit your personal driving style. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, consider a few optimization tips. Always close unnecessary background applications to free up your device's processing power and memory. A strong and consistent internet connection, preferably over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, will significantly reduce latency. Also, keep your GameHub app and Android operating system updated to benefit from the latest performance enhancements and bug fixes, ensuring an optimal racing adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.